Welcome, viewers, to a groundbreaking exploration into the realm of conquering death. Today, we delve into the fascinating journey of human achievement and the role immune boosters play in our quest for longevity. You're watching Health Suggestion: Conquering Death, a concept that has captivated human minds for centuries. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the ultimate human achievement. What does it mean to overcome mortality? If you want to buy in this product, check the buy link in the description, but first you want to need full video completely. Throughout history, humans have sought ways to extend life. From ancient elixirs to modern medical advancements, our fascination with immortality persists. But is conquering death a realistic goal? Science. Let's dive into the science. Our bodies age, cells decay, but can we intervene in this natural process? Researchers are exploring the intricate mechanisms of aging, and some breakthroughs offer promising glimpses into a future where we can conquer death. Gulco-24, a revolutionary immune booster that claims to enhance your body's defense mechanisms and potentially contribute to a longer, healthier life. But does it live up to the hype? We've seen the theories, but how do we apply these ideas to our lives? From healthy lifestyle choices to incorporating immune boosters like Gulco-24, there are tangible steps we can take on our journey towards conquering death. Conquering death may seem like an audacious goal, but as humans, we've continually defied the odds. Whether through scientific advancements or personal choices, the pursuit of longevity is an integral part of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Health Suggestion, signing off. Live long and prosper.